Overview: Apple AirPods, second generation, are a pair of truly wireless earbuds that have become synonymous with convenience and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. They come with a lightning charging case and offer a range of features designed to enhance the listening experience, particularly for users of Apple devices. Design and build: the AirPods retain the iconic design of the original model, featuring a sleek, minimalistic aesthetic. The earbuds are lightweight and comfortable, making them suitable for extended use. The charging case is compact and easy to carry, providing additional battery life on the go. Performance: the audio quality of the AirPods second generation is good, with clear mids and highs, although the bass response is somewhat limited compared to some other premium earbuds. The AirPods excel in providing a balanced sound profile suitable for various genres of music, podcasts, and phone calls. The H1 chip enhances connectivity and performance, allowing for faster pairing and more stable connections. Switching between devices is seamless, and the AirPods automatically connect to your Apple devices once they are removed from the case. Battery life: battery life is a strong point for the AirPods second generation. They offer up to 5 hours of listening time on a single charge, and the charging case provides multiple additional charges, totaling over 24 hours of listening time. Fast charging is another convenient feature, with 15 minutes in the case providing up to 3 hours of listening time. Features: the AirPods second generation support hands-free Hey Siri functionality, allowing users to control music playback, make calls, and get directions using voice commands. They also feature automatic ear detection, pausing playback when you remove an earbud, and resuming when you put it back in. The built-in microphones are effective for voice calls and interacting with Siri, offering clear audio quality. However, they do not have active noise cancellation, which is available in the more expensive AirPods Pro model. Compatibility: these earbuds are best suited for users within the Apple ecosystem, providing the most seamless and feature-rich experience with iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Apple Watches. They are also compatible with Android devices, but some features such as automatic device switching and Siri integration are limited or unavailable. Positive points: seamless integration with Apple devices. The H1 chip provides quick and stable connectivity. Good battery life, up to 5 hours of listening time on a single charge, with over 24 hours provided by the charging case. Convenient features: hands-free Hey Siri and automatic ear detection enhance usability. Comfortable design, lightweight and suitable for extended use. Negative points: